If you want to give your video a dramatic, cinematic, or even mysterious look, then a smoke overlay effect is one of the easiest ways to do it in CapCut. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply a smoke overlay effect to a video in CapCut, step by step, so you can layer it properly, blend it correctly, and export a clean final edit. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open CapCut Video Editor and start a new project. Once your project is open, import the main video you want to edit. This is the base clip that your smoke effect will sit on top of. After that, you also need to import your smoke overlay video. This is usually a separate clip with smoke, fog, steam or haze that you've downloaded beforehand. Once both clips are imported, go to the timeline and place your main video on the primary track, then drag the smoke overlay video directly above it on the track layer above. This is an important step because the overlay has to sit on top of the main footage for the effect to work properly. If the clips are not layered correctly, the smoke won't appear the way you want it to. Now click or tap on the smoke overlay clip to select it. After selecting it, go into the editing options and look for Basic, then Blend. In the Blend section, choose Screen. This blend mode helps remove the dark background from the smoke clip while keeping the lighter smoke visible, which makes it look much more natural over your main video. If the smoke looks too strong, too bright, or covers too much of your footage, you can fine-tune it from here. You may want to resize the overlay, trim the clip, or lower the opacity depending on the look you're going for. A softer smoke effect usually looks better if you keep it subtle rather than overwhelming the entire frame. You can also adjust the timing so the smoke appears only when you need it, like during a transition, intro, or dramatic moment. Take a moment to preview the result. This helps you see whether the smoke is blending smoothly with your video and whether the effect matches the style you want. If needed, go back and make small changes until it feels right. Simple adjustments can make a big difference in how polished your final edit looks. When everything looks good, export your project, choose your preferred resolution, and save the video to your device. And that's it, you've successfully applied a smoke overlay effect to a video in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and easy walkthroughs just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.